How to add vignette to video in DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag and drop an adjustment clip above your clip in timeline and adjust its duration to match your clip. Now click on Open FX and search for vignette. Drag and drop vignette effect into the adjustment clip. Now we added this vignette effect to the video. To change its properties, select the adjustment clip, open up Inspector panel, and click on Effects tab. Change the size and anamorphism based on your needs. You also can change softness and the color of the vignette based on your needs. Decrease the blend value to see less of the effect and more of the original video. Now set operation mode to advanced to have some more options. We can change the shape, position, and transparency of the vignette in the advanced mode. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.